Hello everyone, welcome to Texture Blog and I am Surajit. Today I am going to show you how you can make a bootable USB drive using command line in Ubuntu. So before doing that, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. At first, we need to plug our USB drive and then we can open our terminal and we can type df to fetch the device list that is in the last portion, that is this one, sdb1. So at first I need to unplug my USB drive and then plug in again. So you can see this drive has been plugged in. Now I need to type df again and you can see we have this drive, the last one, which is DEB SDB. So now what we need to do, we need to clear this screen. Use this command right now, sudo umount /dev/sdb and hit enter. It will ask the password, so enter your password. Now that we have unmounted the USB, we know our ISO images name and path, and we already know our device name from the previous procedure. So it takes only one command that we can use in our terminal, sudo dd bs equals 4m if equals and the path of the ISO image, so /home/ my user machine name /downloads /arc, and then I'm typing tab so it can autocomplete. Now we need to write this ISO image in our dev SDB, I mean in the USB drive, then status equal to progress oflag sync. Now hit enter. So it is writing the ISO image to my USB drive. It will take some time. So after writing this, I'm just going to pause this video, then I will come back later. Now I just need to see in my directory, that is this one. So you can see this drive has been written with the ISO image and operating system name Arch Linux. We have this so far. So we have this folder, Arch, EFI, ISO Linux and loader. So we successfully created our Arch Linux bootable USB drive using this command in our terminal. So if you don't have any like GUI application to install to write your ISO image in your USB drive, you can use this command to make your USB disk as bootable. So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel so that you can get more upcoming videos. Have a nice day. See you next time.